Hi guys, right now I'm going to unbox my newest toy. So look, hey very sneak, look at this. There's no opening yet. I want you to see so that if ever there's gonna be a problem, and then it's all legit. You know what guys, I've been wanting this toy of mine for like quite a couple of months. And I'm so puyat because of this. So puyat because of this. Because I kept on searching for the best kind of toy. When you're getting older, nag-iiba na rin yung mga priorities ko sa buhay. Oh. Ano ba binili sa akin? My videographer asked me if i-video daw niya ba ako. Daldal ako ng daldal, guys. Wala. Hindi niya pala ako binibideo. So, here's the first part of my unboxing. What's this? Tada! Oops. So, syempre, I'm all excited. Me too, I'm so excited. Ta-da! So let's check for the box. It's good, it's perfect. Okay. I'm gonna upload it in our YouTube channel. Ano ba ako masasaktan dito? Whoa! Yeah. The box is intact. There's some other, damage. The courier I'm able to take care of it. Ta-na-na-na. Are you all ready? Ta-na-na-na. 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 Yeah. Yes, ready. La-la. See? This is my new toy. My vacuum cleaner. Okay. So I'm gonna...
Wait lang.
Ta-da! Okay, so ta-da! I have lots of glue. Wow! I don't understand. Okay. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da. The box is so good. So here's the charger. Okay, it's good. Okay, in fairness, the brusher. So this is the extra fabric. Wow, it looks perfect. The quality is nice. Very nice. Minhos. Ooh, Extreme Pro XP6. Pala available. Yeah. Here are the attachments. And wow, another attachment. Crevices. This is for crevices. Ganda yung plastic niya. What? Ah, yeah. Ayoko na karamit masira. Kasi ang ganda. So, ito yung pinaka stand. Amazing, very organized. And then here, oh, this is the main group. Oops, sira siya. Okay. Sana sira siya. Kita. Sira siya. Ow. This is the roller blade. Yan. Bigat siya. Ito, bigat siya itself. Wow! Wow! Ganda. Quality. Well, it really costs like around 20,000 plus. So, ito pagtataas mo siya. Oh no. Just kidding. Ito pala yun. Alam na naman po. Motorized. So, there's one thing also na oh, so nice. Sarili siyang motor and ilaw. And this one, wala yung sa bed. Okay, yung pang bed. Naku, yung roller yung pang bed. Sabi meron. Baka maasa si girl, pero hindi. Tcharan! This is the motor. What is this? Oh, the battery. Ang kasing, diba? Shan! Oh, may basag ba? Let's check. Oh, so